Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe. I hope you enjoyed this video, so make sure you do subscribe and join the family. So let's get to it. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video. I'm going to be showing you a wig hair unit which I ordered online from an online hair vendor. I'm going to be reviewing that unit and showing it to you. By the way, kindly ignore the roughness of my hair and any other thing that seems out of place in this video. But before that, let me tell you about this unit. I saw this unit and it looked really beautiful. And you know the best part, the price was just irresistible. So I thought if this wig really looks like it looks in this video, then... So here's the wig unit. It's a middle part wig, nothing special, just the same. It's a really big cap. So let me just put this on and I'll be right back. So we're back and this is what the hair is looking like. It looks beautiful. It looks absolutely beautiful, absolutely gorgeous. It's very soft. The density is just like, is everything. Like, look how full it is. Okay, it's kind of like snagging a bit, but nothing out of the ordinary. Some hair falling out, but nothing out of the ordinary. So basically this is it. It does look absolutely beautiful. Imagine getting this unit for 9,000 naira. Being that I'm in Lagos and she's in a different state, she's in Enugu, I had to pay 2,000 naira in addition for delivery, so also factor that into your overall fee. Very quickly before we continue, my affordable wig lovers, please note I got this wig at the end of last year, and since then every single time that I have checked, this wig has sold for a wide range of prices, including prices that are way higher than the amount that I got it for and even way lower. I remember at one point I saw it on a weekend sale for as low as 6,500 naira and I was like, whoa. Many Instagram hair vendors actually put up their units for sales at a reduced price ahead of festive season, so like Christmas, Easter, Muslim holidays, Valentine's, etc. So you may want to look out for this period to get cheaper prices. However, while some are actually genuinely reduced prices, some are actually just false claims. So yeah, there's that. Look at this goodness. You wouldn't believe that I got this, like all of this, for just 9,000 naira plus delivery, 11,000 naira. Like this is all goodness, all goodness. And yeah, the unit that you saw me use just before I showed you this one was also from Josie. I check out her page. She has some really affordable stuff, and if you're also looking for more high-end luxury wigs, she also has that. So that's that for that. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching. Once again, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. In fact, I'm going to give you a few seconds to subscribe now. Okay, thank you. I hope you have subscribed. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a big smash, a thumbs up, so that YouTube can show it to other people. In case you're wondering why you should, please do that and share it to as many people, as many other hair wig lovers like us. Thank you. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye.